students, today we shall demonstrate here one activity, that is electroplating. Do you know what is called the electroplating? Electroplating is the process of deposition of one metal over the another metal. Just like, see, if you want to deposit the copper on iron, then obviously you have to use a copper electrode as well as the iron electrode also. Now the thing is that in electroplating we need to use the copper electrode as a positive electrode and the iron electrode as a negative electrode or the cathode. So here I have done one arrangement that I have taken a battery and LED as well as the electrode, copper electrode I have taken here as a anode or the positive electrode. Also in electroplating, what you need to take? You need to take the solution of the anode metal salt, means the metal to be deposited whose salt, water soluble salt has to be taken. You know that the copper sulfate is a blue in color, that's why we have taken here, I have taken here the blue copper sulfate solution. Then I have to deposit it as a electrode, copper electrode now. Now see, here I have taken one iron nail, and see, the iron nail will be used as a cathode, and how it happens that I am going to explain later. Just see, if we dip it over there, then first we will be seeing that the LED is glowing. LED is glowing means that is actually the electricity is conducting through the circuit. Now after some time you will be observing that the iron nail, over the iron nail, copper gets deposited. Now let me explain this one how it happens with the help of a see what we have used. We have used here iron as a positive electrode, iron as a negative electrode, and the copper as a cathode. Copper anode and the iron as a cathode, and the respective anode metal salt as a electrolytes. How it happens here, you see, if I draw the circuit here, so this is, suppose this is the positive electrode, and it is the copper, and then iron Fe to symbol, that is the negative electrode on which the deposition of the copper will be given. Now here what I have taken? I have taken here the copper sulfate. Then see what will happen. We have to connect it with a positive terminal of the battery and the negative terminal of the battery, and obviously there is an LED connected over there. And now obviously there should be a key or switch, and so that we can switch on or switch off the circuit. Now see, here copper, it will lose 2 electrons and it will form the copper 2 plus, and this copper 2 plus, it will come to the solution now. At anode, it happens that at anode copper will lose 2 electrons, it will form the copper 2 plus. Now copper 2 plus, it will move towards the, being a positive charge, it will move towards the cathode, and it will take 2 electrons, and then it will form the copper, and then this C, the neutral copper, will give a deposition over the iron electrode, so that we will get that the copper printed iron in this way. So this is the process, and see, at least it required 30 minutes to deposit, to see any observation, means that the copper deposition is taking place on the iron or not. So after 30 minutes we can observe that this copper will be iron will be painted with the copper. See, if you look closely here, then on the surface some deposition already has been started, so we have to wait for the 30 minutes. So after waiting 30 minutes we will be observing this one. Students, actually in this activity you can see that the color of the solution also gets fading, and obviously as the time will pass, you will see that the color of the solution also will get changes, and slowly the deposition also will be started. Already the deposition, see, initially it was the bright blue color was there, deep blue color was there. Now that the color of the solution is not much blue as it was in the initial stage. So now see, if we also look at the iron nail also see slowly means the deposition of the copper has been started. So if we wait up to 30 or 35 minutes, after that we can see that the means layer of the copper has been deposited over the iron. That would be the electroplating one. So students, after 30 minutes you see that the color also gets changes, and also the deposition of the green deposition of the brown copper also has taken place. Deposition of the brown copper also has taken place here. Okay, so that we can see it prominently that the thick or brown deposition has taken place. Brown deposition has taken place here. So that means we can see that the electroplating has been completed. You see that the color become brown. That's all. Thank you. Also we will be explaining another activity in the another separate video. Thank you.